Okay. Uh, yes, you're most welcome to my YouTube channel, Charles Mudawa, and I want to thank God that you have always continued being online to access my tutorials. As I promised earlier on in our previous tutorial, we said we are going to look at system startup. As you can see, on system startup, the operating system may verify that the person attempting to use the computer is a legitimate user through the use of what? The password. After the user logins or logins, the desktop and icons are displayed on the screen. Finally, the operating system also executes programs in the startup folder, which contain a list of programs that open automatically when you boot the computer. Now, Microsoft Windows, the users can actually see each of the programs, okay, that start up each time their computer boots by using this utility, the msconfig utility. Okay, so this is the startup we are talking about. You can see the startup folder. The startup folder on Windows operating system, it contains a list of shortcuts of those applications that start when Windows also start. So on Windows 7, you can see you could actually easily access the startup folder from the start menu. Okay, and when you see you can see the startup, okay, here are we together? You can see the programs. Now you can see this here. You can type the name of the program or folder document. So for example here, the startup, and then say okay. When you browse to start the startup folder, to open the startup folder the easy way, just hit Windows R. Okay, so Windows R, you can launch the msconfig by hitting Windows R to open run, that run box, okay, and typing the msconfig command. Okay, so opening an application program. First of all, an application is defined as a computer program, okay, designed to help people perform a certain type of task. Or work. Examples of application include word processing, spreadsheets, media players, and even games. So you can open or launch a program by using any of the following methods. One, double-clicking on a program, maybe when there's a shortcut on the desktop. Secondly, you can click an item on the taskbar. Then you choose Start. In all programs, click the program name on the all program list that appears. You can also use the Start menus search feature to launch a program. So any of these can help you to open an application program on your computer. Okay. Then you can see that on Windows 7 you can press the Windows key along with the number to quickly launch the corresponding application on your taskbar. For example, the Windows key 1 launches the first application pinned to your taskbar. So when you say Windows key plus 1, it will launch this one. 2, 3, 4, in that order, according to the way they are arranged. So you can use the start menus search feature to launch a program with just a few key presses. Okay, so still we continue. Now you can realize that still, when we are, if you launch an application frequently, you can assign a custom keyboard shortcut to it. That is if you use it frequently. Now first locate the application in your start menu on your desktop. Right click its shortcut and select properties. The way you can see here, Control Alt F, and when you run normal window, and then you click what? Click OK. Now the next thing here, you can also use the run dialog to quickly launch applications. Open it by pressing Windows key R, okay, or Windows R, and to bring you this. Okay, now when you type it there and then click OK, it will now do for you what you want. In the run dialog, type the name, like here we've typed Firefox. Okay, then you press enter, it will launch immediately. Okay, those are various ways of opening an application. Thank you for watching and learning together with Charles. Continue subscribing and sharing our YouTube channel with other friends. We'll meet in the next topic that we will be handling, that is the secure laboratory environment. Thank you. God bless you.